got funny car, you got pro stock, pro mod, and then you got top alcohol. Those are the foam tire cars. Those are usually between 70 mile an hour to 120 mile an hour.
Okay.
You know, these tops are about maybe 80.
Maybe 80. Okay.
Yeah, there's tech and there's weighing.
Oh, they got tech and weighing. Where they doing that
They're
at?
doing it right over there.
Oh, okay.
So I got to go get a scale and some other stuff to get set up.
Okay.
Exactly.
Well, I'm finna check out all the rest of everybody cars, man. Look like this a whole. How many people in the Florida crew?
Just what you see here.
Oh, just y'all? Oh, all y'all right here? Oh, okay. Damn. They got the batteries, the chargers. I'm in Dallas, Texas. Can you buy a drag car or do you need to build it?
You can buy one. They actually have them for sale, ready to roll right inside there offline. Yeah.
Okay, what kind you got? You got a built one?
Yeah, all mine are built. This is actually a Team Undercover. It's an Undercover Assassin associated car. So, I mean, yeah, you got different classes. This is my Heads Up Pro Street car, and you got the bracket car.
This the bracket
Car's
car?
been around a while. I drove that car for 2 years now. It's gonna come out here and have fun.
Okay. So how many classes do they got today?
Let's say there's 4 classes today and 5 including Young Gunner.
Okay.
We're gonna be hitting most all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here to have fun.
Okay, what is the fastest class?
Today it's probably gonna be the Pro Street class.
Pro Street? You got a Pro Street car? Which one going in Pro Street? This one?
That one right there.
Okay.
The Vet.
Oh, the Vet.
Look out.
Look out, look out.
Yep.
Dang.
And that's gonna be our Heads Up cars.
Ooh, they look like they working with something. Hey, what do the Velcro on the tires do?
Alright, so that's a heater. It's a tire warmer.
Oh, okay.
You got a cold tire. Yeah, if you feel it, touch it.
Oh, I can feel it.
Yeah.
Oh, it sure is got some heat on it, y'all.
Yep.
Golly.
Just like a real race car, man. You want them warm, you don't want them cold.
Dang, they really be having them tires hot. They got tire warmers, y'all. They over here warming up the tires.
Look out.
I bet, son, what's going on, man? How you doing today?
If I was any better, I'd be twins.
What? Man, I'm trying to see something. They got what you know about all this RC stuff?
I don't know much.
Man, they got tire warmers.
Yeah, that's
I ain't know that. Willie boys.
Did you see Jason's truck over there?
Where? Which one? Oh yeah. Come on, let's go look at it. He done brought his race car here. I hope this generator don't mess up my stream. That's what they usually do. We got a real truck up here, y'all. From
He said he just got a little shot on it.
Oh, he got a little shot on it?
Yeah.
He sure got some big cylinders for a little shot. Got a fog on there, y'all. Well, look at them headers. Oh, that's what them headers are supposed to do. They drop down and come into a flame. Ooh, we got some headers up over there. How fast? Hold on, y'all. I'm finna try to get to this title real quick. Let me try to get to this title. Streaming manager. Where the settings at? Come on, settings. I don't even know what to do. Hey, what do the title say? It still say, that must say full. That show ain't right. I did just see that title, man. I could have changed it. I just didn't think that it was still saying that. What y'all know about them trucks? Y'all like them right there? I tried to rename it too, y'all. Golly, I'm mad a little bit. Just a little bit, about 10%. I don't like to be 10% mad. Alright, let me see something, man. Edit profile. Golly, where I just seen it, man. It gave me the option to edit video, and I ain't think that's what it was saying. So I left that spot. Golly, I done messed up now. I'll find that spot again. Come Come on, baby. Come up with an idea. Oh, Twisted Soul, you say you changed it. You found out how to do it. Hey, y'all.
Puerto Rico in the house.
Puerto Rico in the house.
Yeah.
Y'all, how y'all get over here?
Huh?
How y'all get over here?
Swimming.
Oh, damn. Y'all strong then. Damn. Y'all having a good time so far?
Yep.
Already.
First time on no prep.
This your first time on no prep?
Yeah.
Oh, so you usually on the prep surface?
Yes.
Okay. You got a progressive?
Yep.
Okay. You know how to control it, right?
We hope so.
Okay, well, if you've been doing it, do you feel like a prep surface that you allow more power?
Way more power.
Way more power?
We run all this car on lows. Mine is hitting 190. This one are 205, 204.
Yeah.
And 193. The one that you have.
Okay. Really?
Our record is a guy that runs 184.
Oh, the record is a 184
In Puerto Rico.
in Puerto Rico?
Yep.
What? He ain't coming here, is he? Y'all need to leave him at home.
Yeah.
Unless he on y'all team. Nah, they ain't going 205 miles now. They running 2.05 in time. They running. How many mile per hour do it get up to?
72, 73, 74.
Okay.
In the 70s.
In the 70s, in about 72, 75. They gonna get there in 2 seconds, 1 second.
Yep.
You ran a 1 before? A 1.9?
190.
What?
73 miles.
God, let me go look at that one, man.
The black,
What you got on here make it go so fast? He probably cheap.
Mamba Monster X.
Which one? This
one.
This one?
That's a Mamba Monster with a Hobby Wing engine 2.5.
Mamba Monster. Dang. So what you doing now? Keeping it warm?
Yep. Because we already use the warmers. We only bring one, so we warm the tires and let put it in there and let the heat of the engine.
Oh, okay, yeah. I used to put my nitrous ball on top of the header, try to heat it up.
Yeah.
So you ain't doing nothing wrong. If I could do that, you could do this.
Yeah, we're heating up the batteries too, because the batteries, the heater, the hotter they get, the more power they punch out.
What?
First, right, yeah.
I thought it needed to be cold. Oh, man, he say
If you heat the battery up, you will.
it'll rush out of there like nitrous.
It will go